animals ang gusto niyang gawin ko dito. So this time, ate, anong gusto mong pets or ayok na gawin ko dyan? Dinosaur. Magalang ka ng kaho mo, wag ako. Dinosaur gusto mo. Oo. Mahirap yun, oo. Dinosaur gusto niya. Oo. Yung dragon. Oh, okay. Aside naman sa dinosaur, yung maliit lang, masyadong malaki. Hawakan mo, hawakan mo. Masyadong malaki yan. Ano kaya? Aside doon. Okay, aside sa dinosaur, ano? Nakasan mo? The geese. Hindi. Yung hype like a dog, cat, rabbit, chicken, bird. Anong gusto mong gawin ko dyan? Ha? Sigurado ka? Bird. Okay, so kids, gusto nyo makita yung bird? And this time, can you show it like this, ate? Ipakita mo sa kanila. Okay, gawin natin bird yan. Can you say bird? Very good. And blowing the handkerchief like this. Blow. What are you doing? I said blow it. One more time. Blow. Blow it. Blow. Blow it. Ipan mo. Ate, can you blow, ate? Ganon. Dapat. Alright, one more time. Blow it, ate. Oh, ganon. Ikaw, blow. Okay, this time, hold it like this. And kailangan ko lang pwedeng tumulong kay ate. Anyone? Alright, si ate. Let's clap our hands for ate. Palakpakan naman natin siya. Okay, stay there, stay there. Okay, ate, please stay there, okay? Dito ka. Very good. Our next magic, please watch kids. And this time I have a very powerful magic wand. And you can hold it like this or kailangan mo awakan mo siya na to. Ang gagawin niya, iikot niya na tatlong beses. 1, 2, 3, and top. And you say bird, magiging bird yan. Gusto niyo makita? Ate, galingan mo, ha? Opo. Galingan mo, galingan mo. Okay, everyone, nandito. Alright, sorry, thank you so much. Go back to your seat. Anyone, sino kaya gusto? Alright, si ate. Palakpakan naman natin si ate, yes? Alright, so, tulungan mo si ate, ha? Okay, this time I have here a purple, powerful magic one. This one is one of one in the Philippines. Magaling, matibay, made in China. Alright, and this time you need to hold it like this or hawakan mo siya na to. Iikot mo, 1, 2, 3, and top. Can you say bird? Sabi mo, bird! Bird! Huwag mo sisirain to, ha? Opo! Once the group to my magic one, or once the break my magic one, you pay. It's a 1,000 pesos. Are you ready? Alright, ready? Hold it like this. And we turn on like this. 1, 2, 3. Can you say bird? What are you doing? Anong nangyari?
Ikaw nag-ano eh.
Kung ako nagawin ko, maawag eh. Actually, it's a raw magic one I give you. Ay, ito na talaga. Oh, ito na, matibay na to. Oh. Alright, ready? 1, 2, 3, and top. Can you say bird? Very good. Ladies and gentlemen, the bird. Ay! Nakulok ka! Pasinira mo. Okay. Guys, I'm fixing again, okay? I'm fixing again this magic one. Can you blow at them? Blow it. Mahina. One more time. Like this. Alright, hold it. Tapos, guro mo sa mo, bro. Ayan. Alright, galingan mo, ha? Okay. Lumabas na ba yung bird? Dali lang. Ayan na, ready? Okay. Again. Blow it. And you? Blow. Go. Kailangan ikaw. Blow it. Hold it at the minute, say it first. 1, 2, 3. Kapanira ka. Alright, so watch kids and look inside the bag. Nothing inside the bag. What color? May laman? Alright, papalit ako. Okay, so nothing inside the bag. And say happy guys. Mommy, may laman po ba wala? May kakalabasan niya natin. Are you ready?
Okay, okay. Wait. Okay, nothing inside the bed. So watch kids. Okay, so ipapakita ko. May naman ba? Can you see that inside the bed? Okay. Alright, nothing inside the bed.
And this time, ate, okay, so this time, okay,
Alright, so ate, please gonna put inside the bag.
ipasok mo sa loob. Pero put inside the bag, please. And magiging snake yan. Very good. Oh! Dahan-dahan lang ako kapag. Alright, at the count of 3, and you get the snake, and throw it the snake. And watch, ladies and gentlemen. Please, you and Ate, can you get the snake inside the bag? Go ahead. Alright, so, please, Ate, awakan mo, kunin nyo, and throw it the snake. Ready? Isa! Dalawa! Matapang mo? Ay! Yeah! Okay, nasiksik nyo yan. Kunin mo! Or! Get mo. Okay. Kaya dali lang, Dodong.
Alright, so nothing inside the bag. Right, one more time. May naman po ba wala? Meron wala. Nothing inside the bag.
And this time I put it back here in my bag. And let's ease our music. So watch kids. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I have here a next caller. Okay, what color this one? Hold it, Adam. Hold it. And please watch. And this one, what color this one? Yellow and red. And watch, guys. Alright, ready. And hold it, Adam. Please stand up. Hold it. And watch, ladies and gentlemen. Please don't close your eyes.
Alright, so watch kids. Whoa. Sit down and watch ladies and gentlemen. Open your eyes. Up, and inside. Okay? Watch. Everybody.
When the runaways are running the night.
And you go back to your seat, please. Okay? So you gotta stay there. And watch, ladies and gentlemen, open your eyes.
Watch my girls go.
Ready? Up!
Show what's going on.